It's a legal case that could change the face of social media. 10-year-old Nyla Anderson died after taking part in a so-called blackout challenge, which went viral on TikTok.
Went running upstairs and I broke the lock on the door, and that's where I found Isaac, non-responsive.
TikTok, the social platform with 1 billion users, has suffered various content incidents in the past. Whether it was the blackout challenge in 2021 that caused multiple deaths worldwide, the sleepy chicken trend that had major FDA health warning issued, or the slap a teacher challenge that caused physical assaults on educators. Despite such incidents, TikTok just announced that hundreds of jobs in UK are at risk of being laid off. What used to be human moderators will now be replaced by AI. But even though the headlines talk about the layoffs, the reality runs far deeper. We're talking about the very people who are the eyes and ears behind the app's content feed, and TikTok's decision to cut back on them could change everything about how the platform handles harmful videos, hate speech, and misinformation. Before we get to the why, let's understand what exactly has happened. On 21st August, the news broke. TikTok is restructuring its trust and safety division, and hundreds of roles in the UK are now being discontinued. Most of these positions are content moderators, the people who review videos that are flagged for breaking TikTok's content rules. Reports suggest that TikTok's London Trust and Safety Department employs 300 people. A significant portion of them may now be at risk. In other words, instead of having big teams scattered across different countries, TikTok wants to centralize its moderation operations. That means workers in the UK could lose their jobs unless they relocate, which most won't be able to do. This move also extends beyond the UK. Similar cuts are happening in South and Southeast Asia as TikTok looks to shift more moderation work to third-party providers. But what makes it alarming is that these jobs are not just being cut off, they are heavily being replaced by AI. According to TikTok, more than 85% of all content removals on the platform are already handled by AI automation. That means algorithms, not humans, are catching and deleting videos before most of us ever see them. For the moderators themselves, this news hits hard. They spend their days scanning through endless streams of videos, some funny, some boring, but many disturbing, violent, or abusive. Content moderation is a tough job. Workers are the silent shield protecting users, especially kids, from the worst the internet has to offer. And now many of them are being told they're no longer needed. But what happens when a video that technically follows the rules but is still deeply harmful gets ignored by the algorithm? In September 2022, Sleepy Chicken trend went viral. It had been around for many years but suddenly became popular on TikTok platform. The recipe involved boiling chicken in the sickly green cough syrup and consuming the finished product, a dangerous practice that can produce toxic fumes. FDA had to issue a health warning to stop the practice, and TikTok had major backlash as it was unable to stop the viral harmful advice. If an AI algorithm had to moderate this, how would it know the difference between this and a normal cooking recipe? TikTok isn't wrong. Automation has come a long way. Today, machine learning systems can analyze videos at lightning speed, detecting hate speech, dangerous challenges, or even explicit content, long before a human moderator would even open the file. But here's the catch. AI doesn't understand nuance. A system might block a breastfeeding video as nudity while letting violent content slip by because it doesn't match known patterns. Critics are lining up to question TikTok's decision. First, safety advocates warn that over-reliance on AI could lead to dangerous blind spots. Algorithms might be fast, but they can also be biased, inaccurate, and easily manipulated. In 2021, TikTok had Milk Crate Challenge, where users stack up milk crates to climb on them, leading to falls, injuries, and physical damage. US hospitals reported spikes in emergency visits. TikTok was heavily criticized that they acted very late in stopping the trend. How would an AI differentiate these falls from funny bloopers or videos? The Communication Workers Union, which represents many TikTok employees in the UK, has blasted the move. They argue that AI can't replace human judgment, especially when it comes to context. An algorithm might detect nudity or violence, but what about satire? What about cultural nuance? Every such job cut, the society loses one layer of safety.
Before we continue, help us extend the reach of this news video by hitting the like button and become a subscriber to stay updated with everything happening in the tech world.
There's also a global angle to this story. TikTok is centralizing its teams in Lisbon and Dublin. The major cities are becoming heavy on taxes and high employment costs. The move to Lisbon and Dublin is targeted for lower costs, strong multilingual workforce, and favorable tax structure. With only a few humans located in 2 cities and AI doing most of the heavy moderation work, what happens to the disinformation circulated globally on TikTok platform? TikTok has faced consistent criticism from regulators over spreading misinformation to young users. It was found to have had several videos being circulated over COVID vaccine and being reviewed by kids as young as 9. In another incident, users were found to be fed misleading election news across many countries. Various media agencies criticized TikTok to the extent that they had to review their content policy and publish an explanation on how they plan to combat misinformation and misleading content. And here's the twist. This comes right as the UK's Online Safety Act is going into effect. That law demands stronger protection against harmful or illegal content, with penalties as high as £18 million or 10% of a company's global turnover. So the stakes are higher than ever. And yet at this critical moment, TikTok is cutting human moderators. It raises the question, can AI really step up where humans are being cut back, especially when the legal and safety risks have never been higher? So what does this mean for average TikTok user? In the short term, you might not notice much. Videos will keep rolling, trends will keep trending, and the algorithms will still serve you clips it thinks you'll like. But behind the scenes, the system that protects you from harmful content is changing. With fewer human moderators, the chances are increased that harmful videos slip through the cracks, or even an innocent content gets unfairly tagged. TikTok is especially popular with teenagers and young users. The margin for error here is razor thin. One missed harmful video could have serious real-world consequences. Because end of the day, moderation isn't about protecting TikTok's image, it's about protecting people. TikTok's decision to cut hundreds of UK moderation jobs is more than just a cost-cutting measure. It's a glimpse into the future of tech, a future where AI replaces human judgment, efficiency replaces empathy, and companies gamble with the safety of their users. For the moderators losing their jobs, it's a painful blow. For TikTok's bottom line, it's a strategic move. But for society, it's a gamble we can't afford to ignore. Because moderation isn't just about taking down bad videos. It's about shaping the digital spaces where billions of us spend our lives. And if those spaces aren't safe, we all lose. So here's the question. Do you trust TikTok or any tech giant to let AI handle our safety? Or do you think humans should always stay in the loop? Drop your thoughts in the comments.